What is up, guys? It's been a little bit, but we're making a new video today. Also, we just picked up a new free ride, another one. It's got a blue hood on it, which is kind of goofy, but the guy liked how it looked. But we got the white one over there. We're gonna throw that back on eventually. This thing's torn apart because the stator went out, but we got that fixed. Today we're gonna be ripping this thing around. I'm gonna bring it up to my buddy's land. They got DS450s up there too, so we're just gonna rip around. It's super nice out. Minnesota is finally coming in with some nice weather. It's been super cold, but now it's super nice out, so that's nice. We're gonna load up this pit bike, head out there. It's only like 30 minutes away. Just got done with school and have some fun.
What should I say? Hello. Oh no. So today I'm learning how to ride. I don't know what I'm riding, but it should be a fun time. Hopefully this makes it to the video. This is what I'm learning on ride today, right there.
Pull that in, hit down, yep, a little bit of gas and let that out slow. More gas, keep going. We're going. Oh yeah. Holy. Speed demon. Slow down.
Holy, keep her down a little bit.
Pull it in. That was not bad for a girl riding a quad. I gotta rip some wheelies on this thing.
Now I want to go faster.
Want to go faster?
Well, that was dumb, and I was just getting sprayed with ice.
Okay, well, we'll go out to the road. We'll figure it out. Your thoughts on her going faster?
I think I did good. That was like
Let's just say, let's hope it's in one piece after this.
Try quad. I haven't ridden one in a while. It's been a minute since I sold mine. To the Sea Boys. Oh, yeah, we'll put it in the title, get some views. Oh, fuck.
It's a little slow.
It's a little slow.
And you run out of gears pretty quick.
Yeah, this one's geared down a lot.
Yeah.
And there's a car coming, so hopefully it ain't the police. I might have to try that one.
No.
Are you?
This one's geared down a lot.
I just got up. Okay, my turn to learn how to go faster. Don't I just pull this in and then hit something down there?
Yeah, shift it up.
Okay, I got that.
It's gonna be hard, like if you want to turn around going slow, you'll stall it. But I'll go down.
Oh, third gear. Holy third gear. Holy third gear.
These things are different to wheelie than dirt bikes, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, just a little bit. Caitlin said she's doing something wrong. Clearly didn't sound like you.
Oh,
Well, it didn't sound like that.
because you gotta give her full beans.
But don't give her full beans.
No, you don't
Well-
die.
I'm not gonna die.
Just got it loaded up, and sadly all fun comes to an end, and especially right now because it's a little cold out. We're gonna head to Dairy Queen, get a little food, and then we're pretty much gonna be done for today. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Also, once I hit 100 subs, wow. Yeah, just subscribe. That's all you gotta know. Later.